Now, for those of you who are just starting out with mountain biking and aren't sure where to ride, you've nailed it in terms of when to start, because there's so many different trail networks with so many different terrain variations that are perfect to learn on, perfect to build that confidence. It's definitely a growing sport here in Vermont, so I know Earls is excited to be a part of that and provide products to the community that help keep you safe, help fit your needs, and can get, you know, every member of the family outside onto the trails and having a good time. Last year, Earls was one of the sponsors for the Grassroots Enduro Series, one of which happened here at Cochrane's. So I figured today we would take Bob, the Minion, on a little tour of what was stage 2. So stage 2 started up at the rope tow and then winds down through here. Then we actually head over this little road right here, and then we descend down. There was actually an old, I think an old motocross track down here. So we go down here. There's some jumps right here. They're fun. You got to carry some speed. Pre-jump right there, because you'll go way too long on them. Right there. Then there's a wooden jump. Woo! Over jump that a little bit, and then it just goes right down into here, which is the ravine trail. So this trail, actually, we head down there, there's a ravine, and you try not to think about it when you're riding down, because the consequences are a little bit, you know, it'll hurt. But yeah, this is a nice little flow trail. Got some tight little corners. Dive down, kind of snake your way through that. Free jump right there. Bring the back end around. I bet Bob is being a little bit car sick right now, but he'll be okay. Then we go through those trees, a couple pedals, through here, a couple nice little flowing turns, and then actually, I think what we'll do is, normally it goes that way, but I think what we'll do is we'll actually take, there's a new trail right here that was just built a couple weeks ago, I think. And it flows down. It's got some nice machine berms right here. You just flow down, no need to pedal. Just enjoy and pump your way through. And yeah, it's a really nice little run out till the parking lot. And then the trail comes down here. Bump your way through those. Outside foot down. And tree. It's a fun little addition to the ravine trail. Then puts you out here near the parking lot. So you gotta go kind of slow on.